Torrential slide value equivalent to 243.84 rands a coin. The present cost range, 240.26 245.35. The earlier day close, 242.27. The change was plus 1.57. Plus 0.65%. Converse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Avalanche cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 27, cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost 226 rands, high 242, low 210. In multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, July 31, cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 219 rands, high 234, low 204. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 217 rands, high 232, low 202. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide figure on Friday, August 4, cost 240 rands, high 257, low 223. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 232 rands, high 248, low 216. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost 234 rands, high 250, low 218. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost 232 rands, high 248, low 216. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost 246 rands, high 263, low 229. In 3 weeks torrential slide estimate on Monday, August 14, cost 253 rands, high 271, low 235. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost 249 rands, high 266, low 232. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost 244 rands, high 261, low 227. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost 239 rands, high 256, low 222. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost 243 rands, high 260, low 226. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost 245 rands, high 262, low 228. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 170 rands, excessive cost 181. While low cost 157, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 169. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the months and 169. Change for November 0.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 169 rands, excessive cost 182. While low cost 158. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 170. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the months and 170. Change for December 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 170 rands, excessive cost 170. while low cost 144. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 160. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 155. Change for January 8.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 155 rands. Excessive cost 193. While low cost 155. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 171.